How to sign in to Rocket League account in PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Rocket League account in PC. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in rocketleague.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Rocket League. Here, in order to sign in or log into your account, you will need to first have your Epic Games account. Only then you will be able to log in or sign in for your Rocket League account. In this interface, now click on the sign in button at the top right of your screen, and then now you will need to log in to your Epic Games account. Once you reach the official website of Epic Games, here now you will need to enter your email address and password associated to your account in order to log into your Epic Games account. After entering the email address, now enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgot password link just below the box, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset it. Now after entering all the details, click on the sign in button at the bottom. After that, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for that code, and once you get that code, you will need to enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, click on this continue button at the bottom. Soon after doing that, here you will need to click on this yes that correct option at the very bottom, and here you will need to confirm two-factor authentication. Select email and then click on this confirm button at the bottom. You may also choose other options from here. Now after doing that, you will see you have been successfully logged in to your Rocket League account in PC. At the top right, you will be able to see your profile name and profile initial. So by following the steps, you should be able to log in or sign in to your Rocket League account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.